Y'all small tuna fish and one big.
This is a Shark Tank.
Here we go again.
2004 phenomenal hit.
Car wash, car wash.
Yeah, let's drive it on it like this.
Yo, Christina, Missy, how about we have a little Oscar-licious fun up in this joint?
You might not ever get rich. Let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might meet. A movie star or maybe a common thing. Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. Yeah. Car wash. Sing it with him now. Working at the car wash, yeah. Some of the work is kinda hard. This ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the rest don't mind sometimes, yeah, they acting like a fool. Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. At the car wash. Out there. Now come on and work it with me on that. Car wash, yeah.
Sharks in the water make their jaws. When I swim through the grim, I'm too hot. Y'all can make your bets. Y'all small tuna fish, I'm one day catch. Bow down, player, cause this right here will be your worst nightmare. Work that, pop back, hurt that. Turn this up and bang it all up in your surface. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fat stat coming. No matter how big the shark gets, the right keep running. Washing cars ain't no place to be a superstar, man. That's why I work and work.